I miss them both. I noticed changes in them way before they got real bad sick. And I tried for years to get them to do something, and they would say, it's my body, not yours. It made me want to give up myself.
Here's our tombstones.
For me to be here, looking at their grave sites and everything, is a good reminder for me to know what put them there. And I started falling back in some old habits. And I think my mom wanted to remind me of what's at stake.
The doctor said that if we didn't do something and do it fast, that he could be here in a year's time.
Easy, Haley.
I know I need to stay on track and keep making progress, or it's not going to be too long before I know I'm going to be here. I think about my mom. I don't want to leave her alone. She don't have them anymore. Went through 2 of them. I don't think she can go through another one. I know I need to stay on track and keep making progress. I started working out.
One, bicep, tricep. Pull it in, push it back, pull it in, push it back.
Good girl, Haiti.
Pushing myself
Haiti!
way hard so I can make sure I lose enough weight for skin surgery.
Hi, baby.
The
What
water
you doing?
is so
Come here.
light and they don't have as much